Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of fun and educational toys that your kids will absolutely love. From interactive gadgets to creative play sets, these toys aren't just entertaining, they're designed to inspire imagination and growth. Stick around till the end for all the details, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome finds. Whack-a-Frog game. Let's kick things off with the Whack-a-Frog game, a perfect blend of fun and motor skill development for toddlers. This interactive game lights up, plays sounds, and challenges your kids to react quickly while having a blast. It's a great way to keep your little ones entertained while boosting hand-eye coordination. Grab yours now from the link in the description. Snap Circuits Junior. Introduce your kids to the basics of electronics with the Snap Circuits Junior Kit. This STEM-focused toy allows them to create over 100 exciting projects with easy-to-assemble snap pieces. It's a hands-on learning experience that sparks creativity and curiosity. Get this educational gem through the link below. Kids Camping Pop-Up Tent. Unleash your child's inner adventurer with the Pop-Up Camping Tent set. Complete with accessories, it's perfect for backyard adventures or indoor camping fun. This set encourages imaginative play while teaching kids about camping essentials. Your little camper deserves this. Check out the product link below. Construction Truck Playset. Transform playtime into a construction site with the 25-in-1 construction truck set. With multiple vehicles and tools, this set lets your child explore endless building possibilities. It's durable, engaging, and ideal for hours of creative play. Make construction dreams come true. Find it in the description. Remote Control Excavator. Next, we have the Remote Control Excavator, a must-have for little builders. With its realistic movements and easy controls, kids can dig, scoop, and transport like a pro. It's both entertaining and a great way to develop coordination skills. Get your hands on this amazing toy now. Wooden Play Food Set Fuel. Your child's pretend play with the Wooden Play Food Set. Packed with vibrant, realistic-looking food pieces, this set is perfect for play kitchens or restaurants. It promotes creativity and fine motor skills, making it a favorite for parents and kids alike. Link to buy is in the description. Smart Sketcher Projector. Encourage artistic expression with the Smart Sketcher Projector. This high-tech gadget lets kids trace images, learn to draw, and even create their own artwork. It's simple to use and a fantastic tool for developing artistic skills. Spark creativity by ordering from the link below. Kinetic Sand Ice Cream Playset. The Kinetic Sand Ice Cream Playset is a sensory delight. Kids can mold and shape sand into ice cream treats, fostering creativity and tactile learning. With vibrant colors and endless possibilities, it's a hit for kids of all ages. Don't miss out. Find it in the description. Foam Airplane Launcher. Take playtime to new heights with the Foam Airplane Launcher. Easy to use and designed for outdoor fun, this toy teaches kids about aerodynamics while keeping them active. It's a great way to bond with your child outdoors. Get your launcher now via the link. My First Foam Pogo Jumper. Bring bouncy fun indoors and out with the Foam Pogo Jumper. Soft, safe, and easy to use, this toy promotes balance and coordination in young kids. It's an energetic way to keep them moving and smiling. Grab one for your little jumper today. Baby Balance Bike. Perfect for toddlers, the Baby Balance Bike helps kids build strength and coordination while having fun. With its lightweight design and stable wheels, it's an ideal first step towards learning to ride. Give your toddler a head start. Find it in the description below. Balance beam blocks. Lastly, let's talk about the balance beam blocks. These interlocking pieces create a fun and challenging course for kids to develop balance and motor skills. Perfect for indoor play, they're a hit for group activities and solo adventures alike. Check the link below to get yours today. There you have it, 12 amazing toys that your kids will absolutely adore. Whether it's for learning, playing, or exploring, these products are sure to bring endless joy and value to your family. Be sure to check the links in the description to shop your favorites. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.